Ladies and gentlemen, here we are on the way to Turlock. Today is the day that the Lord has made. I will rejoice and be glad in it. We're headed to the auction, and it's a beautiful day. Little rainy, little overcast, and it looks like it's gonna rain today, but it's a lovely day anyway. There's the wetlands of Las Vegas, California. A lot of duck hunting here, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of duck hunting here. And hopefully our trip goes right, and hopefully we prosper and blessed. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you in a little bit.